What's up guys, this is Jarvel. In this video I'll be showing you exactly how to add in transition slides to the PowerPoint through your PowerPoint presentation. Now first thing you have to do is you have to first insert some text box or any kind of things that you would like to insert in your PowerPoint slides. For instance, in my PowerPoint slide I would like to make a transition for these two text boxes. Say this one. Now here, all you have to do, give this 1 second, is to click on transitions and then choose whatever transition you would like to use, like say this one. Now that will take effect on the first page, like say you just open the PowerPoint slide itself. But if let's say you would like the transition to take effect on the second page, you'll just have to click on the second page here and then select the transition. Now there you go guys. Okay, let's preview it once again. Let's try it. Alright, now you see that is how it works. Now if you like this video guys, make sure to hit like and subscribe.